How are you guys? I've missed you. I've been thinking about you. Today I have an original song called Wish You Were Here. It is a very sad song, so be prepared. I'm also working on a lot of music for you guys, and I'm very, very satisfied with what I'm working on right now. And I really hope that y'all are too when you listen to it. Here's a quick glimpse of the magic, just to show y'all I'm not lying. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this very sad original song. Bye. I wish you were here, sitting beside me, but you're there, over there. I wish you were here, stroking my body, but you're there, over there. And baby, I wanna sit right where you want me. I wanna look into your eyes. Please tell me that you want the same. But you do, I hope you do. And maybe one day I'll see you in space, please. I know that we talk every day, but you know that it ain't the same. I wish you were here to numb the pain. I wish you were here every night, but you're not. Yeah, you're not. We talk about your crap, but you got me lonely. I think of you all day, at night you excite me. And I know it's foolish to get so attached, 'cause you're miles now. Will this work out? Baby, I wanna sit right where you want me. I wanna look into your eyes. Please tell me that you want the same. But you do, I hope you do. And baby, one day I'll see you in space, please. I know that we talk every day, but you know that it ain't the same. I wish you were here to numb the pain. Baby, I wanna sit right where you want me. I wanna look into your eyes. Please tell me that you want the same. I wish you were here to numb the pain. Thank you so much. I love you.